today's video, we're gonna check out Braun Series 9 electric shaver, one of the best top of the line premium electric shavers in the market, and we're gonna test it. I have a full grown beard, so let's check out what this little bad boy can do.
I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I've got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do.
After a couple of years, I'm saying goodbye to my electric shaver Braun Series 7 and saying hello to the Braun Series 9. I'm excited to unbox this. I've been waiting for this for a long time. This is a lot of money and they don't really go out of style. If they do the job, you keep them for a while. Mine stopped working couple of months ago, and finally I decided it's time to change it and get the newer version that has been out, and supposedly this is the best one in the market. Right off the bat, this comes in a really hefty box, and one thing that I like about it is alongside the electric shaver you actually get a cleaning component with it. You can actually clean your electric shaver. So let's check it out. This is Braun Series 9 and it's glory. It has a hefty package, and that's because a lot of stuff comes inside of this package. We see the actual washing system that they have, the electric shaver and its charging station / washing station. This electric shaver is of course waterproof, so you can use it wet or dry. This is something good that I actually really like, and as you can see, it has multiple layers in the actual shaver itself. So I'm excited to open it up and let's see what we got. That's it. Inside we have a small user manual with, I believe, the serial number. This is the warranty that you write down the date and the time that you purchased it. This is the solution that cleans your electric shaver. This is really good because it makes sure that it kills all the bacteria, all the germs, and it's made for your device, so you're not gonna ruin it or damage the blades or anything. So this is good. I recommend replacing them. Don't fill them up with water. This is a special solution. You can't just replace them, and I've seen people pour water inside of it with alcohol. Do not do that. Anyway, we put that aside. Here is the charging adapter. Pretty good standard charging adapter. I think that from the first look of it, the quality of it is really good, and this is the tip of it. So this is actually goes inside of your charging station to charge it up. This is really nice. We have the charging station, and this is both the charging station and the cleaning station. Inside we have a little user manual. Do not do this, do not do that. It's good to know. And this is it. This is really nice. I mean, look at this. This is super amazing, high quality. We're gonna rip this off, and that's it. Look at that. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Amazing. I love it. We have one button here to power it on and off, and then there's a couple of touch pads right here. We're gonna get to it in a second, but this is amazing. Right on the back we have a little button that when you press it, this kind of raises up, and then this is where you can place your solution in, I believe this way, and you could close it down, and that's it. Right now the door to the solution is closed, that's why it's not closing, but if the solution is in there, you could close it up. And right back here is where the charging adapter goes. So just like that, out of the way. This is good to have in case you want to do detailed cleaning. Once in a while it's recommended to do so and use this and actually clean the inside of the crevices of your electric shaver. So don't lose this. Keep this somewhere handy, somewhere safe. So we have a charger right here, and then finally, surprised I didn't get the leather casing. I thought this is the premium version, but it came up with the mesh casing. But no problem, it's not bad. This is the actual case for it. Now some of them have the leather case for it, which I believe it's nicer, and I thought this one is gonna have the leather case, but no, they did not send me the leather case. So anyway, we're gonna open it up, unzip it, and right inside we have the electric shaver. And wow, this thing looks premium. Now I didn't go with the stainless steel because it's a fingerprint magnet. It's nice for the first day, but I think this looks really, really nice. And this is the actual electric shaver. I mean, there is no better way of putting this. This is pure luxury. The feel of it, holding it in my hand, actually looks and feels really good. It is really ergonomically friendly, and it just feels comfortable holding it. Now on the bottom of it there is a charger, because there is an actual stand that you could buy separately, or if you get the one without the washer, that you could just stand it up and charge it just like this. But with this one, we're gonna place it down, and this is how it gets charged. Just like this, you put it inside of here and it just gets charged. If it needs washing, it will wash it, and super easy, super simple, beautiful, delicate, and very nice. Now one thing that I like to say, on the back of it we have the actual trimmer for your sideburns if you want to do that, or if your beard is too long, it's recommended to use this first. Here we have the actual blades, and you could replace this if it gets damaged, or after a while of usage you could easily replace this and get another one. But for now, this is good. This is brand new. Put it down, close it completely. The head of the unit actually goes forward and backward, so it kind of sits inside of your face in whatever direction you put it. But if you want to lock it in place, simply you pull this down and now it's locked. Still you can move it, but it's just clicks at a time. Depending on what angle you want, you could lock it in and then use it only in that angle. This is good when you want to like shave your mustache or whatever. Anyway, so let's try it. Let's see if it has battery. Does not have battery. Let's let it charge for a little bit. So it's been about 15 minutes. I think it is fair to say 15 minutes, it's enough time for it to be charged to be able to get one shave out of it. So without further ado, let's take it out of its charger, put the charger back out of the frame, get my little mirror that I have laying around. This is the one that I hang in the shower. Get it out here and then start shaving. Let's put it right here so it's not in front of the camera. And I have my Braun shaver series 9, and then we're gonna see how it does.
Listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word. So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do.
I have to say this is razor quality. There is a lot of mess here, but this is really good job. I like it. This is an amazing electric shaver, and the fact that it's so compact, and it, even though it was like a couple of minutes, but it was really quick. It's not razor quick that you just bam bam and you're done, but this feels really smooth. It feels like I shave with an electric, it's like I shave with an actual razor, and I feel good. I trying to look at myself inside the monitor up there, but this looks really nice. Very happy. It's an excellent shaver. It's a little pricey, in the pricier spectrum, and this is what I meant by the chrome. See, if the chrome gets really dirty really quick versus the matte finish just stays more cleaner, and as soon as you're done shaving, you simply put it inside of the charger. It cleans itself up, and it's good for the next use. Hope you guys liked it. Highly recommended. 5 minutes charge gives you about 15 minutes of shaving time, so this is really good. It's good on the go because you could simply, you don't have to take this with you. You could just take this and your charger, your cable, and just charge it like this. It's telling me that it needs to be washed, so it's good. Like it, highly recommend it. Check them out. I'm gonna link it down below. This is the Braun Series 9, an amazing compact electric shaver that can change the way you shave. This is super comfortable in hand. This is awesome.
I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not